Hello YouTube. I bought these two, what do you call it, vice grips here. And I was using them in a previous video I made to basically self-destruct a piece of, actually it wasn't a piece, it was I was stripping copper out of two tankless hot water heaters. They're the same, you know, roll this, whatever. But I noticed something on this one. If I unscrew this here, I'll take it out. I'm going to take this right out just to show you. This one, I could just put there. This one has a bolt like this. See a nice soft bolt? Pretty hefty. Yeah, it's pretty beefy, man. This one has the other knurled one. And I noticed something using this. Because see, I can roll this really quick here. Take both of them out. That besides, I mean, the threads are the same. They're pretty much identical. I mean, look, two little bolts. The thing I noticed that they start putting, what do you call it, hex things in the end. But one's knurled and one's not knurled. This one's the knurled one. I noticed when you're going like this, hand slip. There's no grip on this. Yeah, these little grooves. They're like your hand slide over them. This one, on the other hand, I was like spinning this like I like the knurling better because I can actually turn it. Like, see, I can do a gazillion miles an hour. This one, it's my fingers. I can feel them slipping. So Vice Grip, if you're out there wanting to make your product a little bit better, IRWIN. I mean, you already bought out the original Vise's company and screwed up a lot of things, but and then sent it to China. But you're skimping out by not knurling this. The knurling is much better because you can grip it better. You see, I get a nice grip. This, my fingers just slide. Even the older ones. I mean, I have to admit, this one's got a nice, big, thick, wide knurl. But you can grip it better. That's just one thing I noticed. Anyway, that's just an observation and doing some work. That if you do find these new, stupid, I don't know, extra heavy, you know, no need to be heavier than thou. I mean, look, they're bigger than these are bigger than they should be. I mean, yeah, okay, you can lock them and you don't need a little stupid little spoon on the end or whatever. But you know what? If you do buy them, find the ones with the knurled end, because these ones suck. Just a tip. Thanks for watching.